hip-hop nostalgia will blast from Boombox this spring, as a squad of familiar hitmakers land in Las Vegas. Like a CD on shuffle, CeeLo Green, Naughty by Nature, Kid and Play, JJ Fad and Thea Austin of Snap will perform their songs randomly and sometimes collaboratively, accompanied by a live DJ and drummer. Boombox hits the Westgate Las Vegas Resort and Casino May 11th to 15th and 18 to 22. Tickets priced from $29 $139 will go on sale at 1 p.m. EDT/10 a.m. PDT Friday through Ticketmaster.com. I don't know what you call it, this hit parade that I grew up as a fan of, Green tells USA Today. Over the years we've all met each other here and there. Myself and Treach from Naughty by Nature are friends. Kid and Play, they were some of the first ones to do mainstream hip-hop. I end up fanning out a little bit when I look at this lineup. Here is how scheduling looks so far. The show will also feature dancers and videos from the artists' peak popularity, such as Forget You for Green, OPP for Naughty by Nature, Funhouse for Kid and Play, Supersonic for JJ Fad and Rhythm is a Dancer for Snap's Austin. The allure of playing Las Vegas, which has morphed from career graveyard to prestigious resume entry the past 15 years, is strong for Green. Boombox represents his fourth Las Vegas residency, dating back to a Liberace spectacle in 2012 that included surprise pop-ups from some of his groupmates in Goody Mob. Vegas is timeless, he says. You get a chance to be written in history, it's just a pinnacle. The craving for the energetic sounds of hip-hop authorities was realized at this year's Super Bowl halftime show, when the all-star cast of Dr. Dre, Snoop Dogg, Mary J. Blige, Eminem, unannounced guest 50 Cent and the youngster among them, Kendrick Lamar, triumphed with a mix of familiarity and vitality. Their music resonated deeply with crossover demographics of millennials and Gen Xers, and Green believes this Boombox lineup can also tap into fuzzy feelings. Taking it to the Strip for Vegas residency. You missed some of this music, because we're still young at heart. You can only hold it dear to you and support it, Green says. Think about, when was the last time you saw JJ Fad perform? I remember buying their album with money from my summer job, even though I was in Atlanta and they were West Coast. I hope they read this interview and get to know firsthand that we appreciate them. Green anticipates involvement in the show from both sides of the stage, emphasizing that even though I'm an artist, an entertainer, a celebrity, I'm a bigger fan than anything. He's already planning to watch Naughty by Nature, when staging allows, not hidden off the side of the stage, but from the front, with fans. I want to be with the people, he says. Music is all about wanting to be heard and be loved. That's what brings us together. The equalizer. Doing the thing we love together. From Katy Perry and Adele to Sting and John Legend, Vegas residencies soar in 2022.